Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with chapter geometry. The lessons we're going to cover today are parameter, find the unknown angle in triangles and quadrilaterals, area of compound figures, radius, diameter, circumference, and area of a circle. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. I'm here on grade 5 math. Chapter we are on right now is geometry. Let's just start with the lesson that is parameter. What is the parameter? So we have to calculate the parameter of the given figure. We can use the coordinates to find the side lengths. So the coordinates are x is 9, y is 2, that is x is 3, y is 2, x is 9, y is 9, x is 9, y is no, x is 3, y is 9. How do we calculate the side lengths? For example, we need to calculate the side length of this side, right? They have the same y coordinate, so you need to calculate difference of their x coordinate, right? 9 take away 3, that is 6. So here you need to calculate the difference of the y coordinates. 9 take away 2 is 7. 9 take away 3 is 6. Distances are always positive, so they are positive. 9 take away 2, so here is the distances. You need to calculate the parameter. So for the parameter, you need to add all the side length, that is 6 plus 7 plus 6 plus 7, that is 26. Got it? So the correct option is 26. You need to calculate the parameter. For the parameter, you need to add all the side lengths. 7 plus 7, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So the parameter is 20. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is option number 2. That is 20. What is the parameter? Which is the correct option? You are just adding. For the parameters, you simply add the side lengths. Let's just calculate the side lengths and then you have to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is also 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is a square. You need to calculate the parameter. So for the parameter, you always add the side length. So that is 24. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the parameter? So which is the correct option? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you need to calculate that is 9 plus 9 plus 7 plus 7. 18 plus 14. That is 32. So the parameter is 32. Option number 2 is the correct option. The correct option is option number 2. That is 32. What is the parameter? Which is the correct option? You guys are here to learn. Stop chatting if you're not answering the questions I'm asking. Otherwise, I'm going to block you all one by one. No one is answering the questions I'm asking, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 26. What is the parameter? That is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the parameter, which is the correct option? That is 14. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is find an unknown angle in triangles and quadrilaterals. What is the measure of the missing angle? So that is a triangle. We know that the sum of angles in a triangle must be 180 degrees. So 35 degree plus 117 plus the missing number equals 180, right? Add these two angles, the sum is 152. Subtract the sum on the other side. That is 28 degrees. Let's just start with the test questions. What is the measurement of the missing angle? So that is a four-sided shape, right? That is 57 degrees, 6541, and the missing number. So the sum of angles in four-sided shape is 360, right? 57 plus 65 plus 141 plus missing angles equal 360, right? So add the given angles, they are 57, 65, 141. So that is 263 plus the missing number equals 360. Subtract the 260 other side. That is 360 minus 263. That is 97. The correct option is option number 1. That is 97 degrees. Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the measure of the missing angle, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? 26. Yes, option number 1 is the correct option. That is 26 degrees. What is the measure of the missing angle, which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? That is 44 degrees. Option number 1 is the correct option. They are all busy. Basically, what is the measure of the missing angle? The correct option is that is a four-sided shape. So sum of all the angles must be 360 degrees. 38 plus 97 plus 117 is 252. 252 minus 360 is 108 degrees. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 108 degrees. What is the measure of the missing angle? Again, that is a four-sided shape. So sum of all the angles must be 360. Let's just add them. That is 41 plus 99 plus 92 plus that is 232 minus 360. That is 128. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is area of compound figures. What is the area of the figure? How do we calculate the area of the compound figures? Let's just start with the test questions. You can have a look on the tutorial by yourself later today. Basically, you have to divide the figures into smaller figures and then we can calculate the area. For example, just look at this one. You can divide this figure into two figures like this. Now that is a rectangle and that is a rectangle. You need to calculate the area of two rectangles. This length is from here to here 18, then definitely from here to here that is also 18. This is 15, then this is 15. Calculate the area of this rectangle first. The area of rectangle is length time width, so that is 15 times 18. So 15 times 18 is 270. Now let's just look at this rectangle. From here to here, the side length is 25. So then from here to here, that is 25. This is 8 inches, so this is 8. So the area of this figure is 8 times 25. 8 times 25 is 400. 200, sorry. So you need to calculate the area of whole figure. So you need to add both the areas, right? That is 270 plus 200. So that would be 470. So the area of this shape is 470. Option number 2 is the correct option. So basically, how do we calculate the area of compound figures? You need to divide the figure into smaller figures and calculate the area for the smaller figures, and at the end you have to add them. What is the area of the figure? So let's just divide this figure into two figures and then calculate the area. This is 10 kilometers, so this is also 10 kilometer. That is 12, so that is 12. Calculate the area of this figure first. That is 12 times 10, that is 120. Now this length is 11, so this is 11. This is 19, so then this length from here to here is also 19. So you have to do 11 times 19. 11 times 19 is 209. So just add both the areas 209 and 120. So the correct option is 329. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the area of this figure? 18 times 13. 18 times 13. That is 234. And for this we have 22. This is also 22. That is a square. So 22 times 22 is 484. So just add both the areas. That is 718. The correct option is option number 1. That is 718. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 718. What is the area of the figure? That is 21 times. From here to here, that is 13 and 8. 21 again, that is a square. 21 times 21. That is 441. This is 8 and this is 10. So 8 times 10 is 80. 441 plus 80 is 1. 8 and 4, 12 and 521. The correct option is, hold on, 479. Wait. Let me do that once again. This is 19. 19 times 21. That is not 21 times 21, right? So 19 times 21 is 399. That is for this one. And this is 10 times 8. That is 80. So 80 plus 399 is 479. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is circumference and area of a circle. Let's just start with the Let's just start with the test questions. The diameter of the circle is 4 meters. What is the area? Area of the circle is A equals pi r square. Pi has the value that is 3.14. You are given the diameter, you need the radius. The radius equals diameter divided by 2. Basically from this point to this point, that is the diameter. Radius, sorry. 4 divided by 2 is 2, so the radius is 2. Radius square, that is 3.14 times 4, that is 12.56. So the area of the circle is pi r square. The correct option is option number 2. The diameter of the circle is 6 miles. What is the circle's radius? So which is the correct option? The radius equals the diameter divided by 2. Or you can say radius is the half of the diameter. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. The correct option is option number 2. That is option number 1. The diameter of the circle is 2 millimeters. What is the circle's circumference? That is C equals the circumference is 2 pi r. That is 2 times 3.14 times 2. That is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Diameter is 2. The radius is 1. That is 6.28. The correct option is 6.28. Option number 2 is the correct option. The radius of the circle is 3 inches. What is the circumference? Circle's circumference. That is C equals 2 pi r. Circumference formula is C equals 2 pi r. 2 times 3.14 times r is 3 times 2 is 6. That is 18.84. The correct option is option number 2 is the correct option. What is the radius of the circle is 1 yard. What is the circle's area? That is 3.14. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So please make, we are working on grade 5 math. The chapter we're working on is geometry. The lessons we have covered today are parameter, find the unknown angles in triangles and quadrilaterals, area of compound figures, radius, diameter, circumference, and area of a circle. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions you can please ask if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.